Hi guys, so I decided to try this potato chocolate ball, and trust me, it came out super delicious. Like, it came out well. And all you need to do is to first boil your potatoes. Once it is soft, you're going to mash it like this, and make sure to mash it well. So now I'm preparing a paste for my potato balls, for the balls. So you can either use egg, or you can use what's it called, flour, all purpose flour and water. So you just mix your flour with water. That is where you're going to roll the ball first before adding the breadcrumbs, because you want the breadcrumbs to stick to the balls. So yeah, that is why I'm making this paste. So for this, I used carrots, green pepper, spring onions, lettuce, and chocolate with breadcrumbs. So yeah, that was all I used for this, and then I added other spices like soy sauce, salt, and all of that. So now you add your ingredients to the potato, your carrots, your green pepper, green onions, and all of that. You add it to the potatoes first. So you're not adding the chocolate at this point. You're just going to add other ingredients. So I added my spice, I added my salt, I added my soy sauce, and I added mayonnaise to it. I also added black pepper, and I added spicy pepper. So that was all I added to the potato, and I mixed everything together. So you can add whatever you want to add. If you want to add more things apart from the carrots and green pepper and all of that, you can add more veggies to it if you want to. So this was all I used for mine, but you can add more. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and help us turn the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be the first to know. Please let us know your name and the country you're watching from in the comment section so that we can make a shout out to you. So after adding your whole ingredients together, you just have to mix them all together. And then I also added just small amount of flour to the potato. I just added small to it. So yes, the next thing I'm going to do, or the next thing we are going to do now, is to roll. So yes, you roll your potato like a ball, and then you put a hole in the middle, and you add your chocolates to it in the middle. After adding your chocolates to it, you cover the hole, and then you add the potato ball to the what's it called, to the paste we made from the flour and water. So you add it there. After adding it there, you're going to add your breadcrumbs to it. So after adding your breadcrumbs to it, you just set it aside, and that's how you continue doing for the rest of the balls till you're done with everything, and then we would move to the next step. So for the next step, after arranging your balls, when everything is ready, you get a pan, you put the pan on fire, and you add oil to it. Once the oil is hot enough, you fry, and you fry until it is brown, like very brown, or you fry to your satisfaction. Then after that, you just take it off, wait for it to cool down, and it is ready to enter the stomach. Like, very very sweet, very delicious. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to try this. Let me know if you've tried this before. Let me know how you eat your own potato. Let me know, do you make your potato a different way still? This is my potato chocolate balls. So I'm just going to open it for you to see the chocolate inside. So yes, this is potato and chocolate. For my chocolate lovers, what do you think about this? And for my potato lovers, what do you think about this? I would love to know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye. This is super delicious. Bye bye.